Arthropfibrosis. Arthropfibrosis is a condition in which there is excessive scar tissue formation within the joint and surrounding soft tissues, usually after a traumatic injury or surgical procedure. Scar tissues can cause structures of the knee to become contracted, restricting normal motion. It's especially common in the knee. Arthropfibrosis is a complication of the knee that occurs when the joint becomes stiff, losing pain-free range of motion. This condition can occur in anyone in any age category following trauma or major surgical knee procedure. It can occur in most joints like knee, hip, ankle, foot joints, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand joints, as well as spinal vertebra. Causes. The exact cause of arthropfibrosis is not known. Multiple factors affect the development of arthropfibrosis following total knee arthroplasty surgical procedure, postoperative rehabilitation course, patient's general health condition, genetic factors, and preoperative range of motion. In general, physical triggers that involve a traumatic incident such as knee injury or a previous surgery, long period of immobilization of the knee, infection, and prolonged symptoms of osteoarthritis. Symptoms. Symptoms begin gradually and worsen as the knee is moved less and less due to pain following a trauma. Symptoms include painful knee stiffness, limping, heat, swelling, crepitus, muscle weakness, formation of adhesions within the joint and soft tissue, inability to move or flex the knee. If this condition is not recognized or treated, permanent complications can occur. Diagnosis. Diagnosis will be determined through a thorough patient history and physical examination by an orthopedic surgeon. He will manipulate the knee in all directions to determine what range of motion has been lost. Other diagnostic tests may include the use of magnetic resonance imaging to visualize the knee. MRI is effective as a tool to evaluate unexplained pain, limited range of motion, and functional limitation in the post-operative patient in whom arthropfibrosis is suspected. MRI can confirm and define the extent of a suspected fibrotic lesion and assist in detecting and differentiating other post-operative complications. Treatment. Treatment of knee arthropfibrosis is critical and must be performed by an orthopedic surgeon trained in diagnosing and treating the exact cause of the condition. A physical examination, medical and diagnostic tests will be performed on the affected knee. Treatment varies on the cause and duration of the fibrosis and usually begins with conservative measures including ice, rest, anti-inflammatory medications, and the first step in treating arthropfibrosis is appropriately directed physical therapy. If non-surgical measures fail to improve the knee's range of motion, doctor may recommend a surgery. Manipulation under anesthesia. The procedure should be done early once the physiotherapy is no longer improving range of motion. If manipulation fails, the surgeon may recommend a debridement to free the adhesions. Lysis of adhesions in the knee can be performed both arthroscopically or via open surgery. An arthroscopic minimally invasive approach is commonly performed to remove scar tissue, bone spurs, and a poorly placed surgical graft. Arthroscopic release of anterior interval adhesions is also successful in relieving pain and restoring range of motion. Post-operative care typically includes medications, the use of a brace, and a detailed physical therapy rehabilitation program. Rehabilitation is required to maintain full functional range of motion. The rehabilitation guidelines prescribed by the doctor are extremely important so patients can achieve a full recovery and reduce the risk of recurrent knee arthropfibrosis. Recovery time following surgical arthropfibrosis treatment varies for each patient depending on severity of scar tissue and procedure performed. Following arthropfibrosis treatment, patients have less than a 10% chance of recurrent scar tissue if the procedure is performed correctly and the prescribed rehabilitation program is followed. Thank you.